Hi YouTubers! My name is Max and it's the first time you're on my channel. Welcome! And if you're a return subscriber, hi again! Okay, this is the trailer hitch on my car and this is the receiver right here. But you can see it won't go in because there's too much rust built up. So I tried to insert it. Oops, sorry this fell, that's okay. See if I bang it a bit, you can see all kinds of like it go. Oh, sorry. Look right now. See all these dust particles? Actually, the rust inflated a bit the metal, and now my receiver hitch doesn't go in. What I've thought of doing is I'm going to spray it a bit with penetrating oil just about everywhere, and let it sit for maybe just like a minute or so, and then take it's a reciprocating saw, like a sawzall, and I'm just going to like scorch the metal. I'm not cutting the metal. I'm just going to dangle it around just like this, of course with full power like this, and on the sides and on the top to remove all the dust particles, and then we'll try the receiver hitch if it fits in. Stay tuned. It goes in and very smooth like that. Woohoo! I got it. You see? And just to let you know, it took me maybe with this guy, it took me maybe half hour or maybe 1 hour of with this guy like this everywhere, like this. And finally I have it, so I'm grateful, and now I can haul my trailer with no problems, and this guy goes in, and of course I'm going to put grease in here, and I'm going to apply a bit of grease on here, and I'm going to keep this guy in a plastic bag, and I'm going to put it in my car, and I'm going to have gloves just right beside it. Oh, gloves going to relieve, so whenever I use it, I just get out of the plastic bag, it's full of grease, it's okay, then it's going to stop from rusting again. I'm going to insert it and take this pin right here and insert it also and lock it in, and I'm going to take care of this guy also, so I'm just and I just saved myself a few bucks. So guys, if you like this video, you can click in this corner right here to subscribe, and you can share with your friends, or stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching.